Okay, I'm taking it.
Oh, this one!
There's Camry feeding the swan a snake.
The evil swan. Camry, drop it off the top.
Launch it in there.
Do it.
Yeah, but you don't know what'll happen per se. He could freak out. He might be scared out of his mind.
I'm scared
just
out
put
of
his
my
head over the
mind.
top.
Should I stick it in?
Yeah, put the head in just a little
Just
bit.
poke it in.
If I throw it, it'll fall in.
Don't throw it. You
Yeah,
just
but
want to
if
like.
you don't want him to totally freak out, do we?
I don't know.
Camry, just like
put his head
sprinkle
in.
it in on the top on the X's, or I mean the squares. Camry, he's in a cage.
If this one freaks out, I will probably drop this.
No, not that way. Put it down in the lower one. Put it down like a little bit from the top so he can come and look at it.
Like in the side.
Yeah, like the second or third from the bottom.
Ew,
Require me to
I'm
hold
freaking
on to the
out.
snake's head.
That's exactly right. Up higher.
If I swing it in.
No, just hold on for the top third or top quarter.
Nice, Dad.
I can't get it in
Nice
there.
background.
That's immortalized forever. Oh my God, my hand smells so bad.
Ah, go in.
Rank.
Oh,
He did, didn't he?
It won't go in. Oh, Swanee, come look what I found.
dude, that swan is so mad. He's ready to kill.
Just,
That's why when he comes out.
Oh, here he comes.
just stick the head in.
Stick it in. There you go.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay, dang.
Swanee,
It's gonna get stuck. I can't even pull it out right now.
your friend.
It's stuck too hard. It's stuck in there. Oh no.
The swan is being a jerk.
Look, I can't get it out.
The snake is like alive, I guess.